to another episode of Tell Me More Amma series, the Sunadishta Way of Life. So, today we have two very important announcements to share. The first one, you'll be wondering in the thumbnail, there's no topic mentioned, and Amma is also not there with me. So, you are right, I'll be talking about that. And secondly, we will be asking a few questions and make this very interactive, almost like a video call. So, we will be asking you a questions which will be indicated by a, and you can answer them and also answer what you think our topic is today by mailing it to us or either by commenting it down in the comment section below. And the first 5 entries to get the correct answer or even give the answer will be featured in our next video. Come on, you can do it! So now, come, let's go annoy Amma. Come on, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Amma! 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 Amma, look! What you doing?
I was cleaning the cupboard. Did you see how messy it was?
No, let's not go off topic. Okay, anyways, I was looking at the newspaper and then I found something. Bharatiya Anche Seve. What does Anche Seve mean?
Anche is postal. Bharatiya Indian Seve means service. Indian Postal Service.
Okay, then why isn't it Indian Postal Job or something?
I'm glad. I'm surprised that you observed that there is a difference between job and service. Wow.
Yeah, I want to know what actually is the difference.
Okay, so we will keep this paper aside now and
Okay.
I'll explain it to you what is a job and what is a service.
Okay, so tell me more, Amma. What is the difference between a job and a service?
Okay, a service is a job or a work or a help which involves directly with people. Okay,
Oh.
so one works directly with people. For example, Indian Police Service,
Oh.
Indian Postal Service, Indian Foreign Service,
Oh.
Indian Administrative Service, and many more such like that. Okay.
Then what is a job?
Okay, so job is where you're working for a company. Okay.
Okay, so people who do service, do they get money or not?
Yes, they do. Let me put it like this. Not all the services get paid for. Can you give me an example of one?
Oh, maybe the people and all the voluntary groups who are helping people through COVID, like for example, giving food to people who have COVID patients in the house, or giving like addresses of hospitals and everything, right?
This is also service, but they are not getting paid for. But they are contributing something to the society.
Oh. When you were talking about this, it reminded me of a Sanskrit Subhashitani you had told me long ago. I think it may be related to this, but not quite. So can I tell it?
Please.
Okay. Smin जीवति बहवः सतु जीवति काकोपि किं न कुरुते छछ्व स्वोदरा पूर्णम.
Wow, you still remember this?
Yeah, you had told me long ago.
I'm surprised. So you must tell me then what does it mean now?
Okay. Do you want to know as well? I thought so. Okay, fine. So, it means that we all do everything just for ourselves. For example, my house, my food, my car, my family, my parents, my job, everything is about me, then what do we have to give to our society? Even a crow, which is kaka in Sanskrit, even it fills its own it fills its own stomach using its beak. Then what is our difference? What is the difference between the crow and us? So that is why we should all give back to the society. This is what it means.
Oh, okay. So what is wrong in living for yourself? Is it wrong? I am working for my house, my family, my job, my life. Is it wrong? Here is the catch. Okay. There is no wrong in living for yourself. But your life's motto should not only be about yourself. Okay? It should always be about service to the mankind. I'm always busy with my own stuff, while I make myself free for others, and I'm happy always. You know something, Dhruti?
What?
In ancient India, we said Seva Paramo Dharmam.
You may have recognized this somewhere. So please comment it down below if you know which service uses this.
Okay, correct. So this means that we all in India even now believe that service to people is our main motto in life.
Then what can I do to give back to the society?
Okay, you must be wondering as a student, as a child, how can I contribute to the society? That we will leave it to you all, and also Dhruti will think about it and let us know. Okay?
Okay. So thank you so much, Amma, for teaching me the difference between a job and a service. And also that society has given so much to us and we should also give back to them.
Yes, very much.
So with that, let's end today's episode. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye. This is the Sunidishta way of life. Bye.
Please give your answers in the comment section below, or you can email us to dishta@sunidishta.in. Thank you so much. Colorful books on life skill management by Sunidishta Publications can be found on www.sunidishta.in. Thank you.